Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can get simple voice chat on Aternos. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your laptop or PC and search for Aternos. Now click on Create button. Then on this page, change the software to Fabric and select the latest version. After installing the software, go to the Mods tab. Search for Simple Voice Chat and install this one. After that, go back to the Servers tab, start your server, and after it starts, copy your port ID from here. Go to the Files section, open Config, and access the voice chat properties. Now delete the current port ID and paste in the new one. Then go to Server section to restart your server. And that's how you can get simple voice chat on Aternos. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.